Hey guys, Kerry Snyder with Team KBDD. Got some exciting news. My turbine has arrived. So it was just dropped off. Very exciting. So I figured, being there's not much information on unboxing and setup of the turbine and stuff like that, I am going to do that. So, as you can tell, the box is still sealed. This is even my first time of getting to see it. So, if I don't cut myself open first. I'll see if I can't get these off. It might make things a little easier. Oh, nope, can't let y'all look in there just yet. Alright. Think my camera's good. Oh, we got some styrofoam. Alright. We can build a model airplane out of that. Let's see, which piece should I pull out first? This. Let's go for the middle. We don't get to see nothing just yet. Alright, so we got an envelope. That feels like we may have some sort of documentation. There's some paperwork in there. Alright, we got some fuel line. 2 different sizes fuel line. Oh, there's 4 sets of fuel lines. We got fuel solenoids. Let's see. Here we got fuel filter, the power cables, fuel pump. We got a Y. Here's the FADEC. This the engine control module. This is where your throttle signal from your receiver goes in. You have a separate battery power that goes into this, and then you got a lead going straight to the engine. And then your 2 little solenoids also plugged into it, and it controls everything. This little display, data display for the FADEC. Let's see here. This is the telemetry module. I fly JR, so this will give like our engine temps, RPMs, that kind of thing, back to my transmitter while the engine's running, and that'll be cool. All right, so we'll set this to the side. What have we here? Let's see. Oh, okay. This is the tool for the gearbox. So when you're putting a clutch on the engine, you can open the back plate of the gearbox and get to the gear, so you can tighten the nuts. And this one here, I'm not real sure. Let's see. It's about to be opened anyway and start the install. Let's see. Oh, we got a thumb drive. Okay, so I bet you the turbine manual is on board this thumb drive. We'll take a look at that later. So the documentation here might be like warranty stuff or whatever. Alright. We got a big piece of foam. Dun da da da. Oh, there it is. Right there. There's our turbine. It's packed very well in there. Wow. This is so, I cannot believe this has finally happened. Alright, so we got a little lock washer two little lock washers running around in the bag, so I'm not going to open the bag right now. I will open that bag whenever it's on the table, and I'm not going to drop it all over my porch. And lose them and wonder what happened to them and whatnot. So, but this is the first video. I'm probably going to compile all the videos together to make one video, and this is just the unboxing portion of it, and we'll continue from there. Next video will be actual install of the engine into the airframe, and then from there we will go into transmitter setup, and well after we'll do like the install of the FADEC, the wiring install, that kind of thing, what you need to look for, watch for, that kind of thing, and then later on there will be another video of the first start. So let's move on to the next step.